Today we are going to see how to automate the creation, copying, retention of snapshot and AMI. So in the app that we use daily, for example WhatsApp, at every midnight it will take the backup. Likewise, think of a large scale where we need to do the snapshot and AMI templates manually. It will take large amount of time. So instead, what I'm going to do, I'm going to set a condition where it will take the backups daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So in this situation, we can also say that if I am taking snapshot daily, so it will have multiple snapshot and I need to pay for the those multiple volumes. So instead, I'm going to keep a retention. Like if the snapshot I created on the first day has become the fifth day, then delete those snapshot. Instead of having 10 snapshot, I will have only 5. So for that, we need to launch an instance first. I'm naming it as Linux Web Server. Then I'm using Amazon Linux 2023 version, T3 Micro. I'm going to select the existing key pair, select existing security group. So with the storage, I'm going to launch it. So in this instance, I'm going to configure web application. So I'm going to user data, paste in some comments. So I have pasted the comment. So I have pasted the comment. So I'm going to launch the instance. So we can just use the public DNS to access the website. So this is the website. So let's wait until it becomes 3 pass rechecked. So I have launched the instance and I have also accessed the website. Now we are going to this lifecycle manager. Click on create lifecycle policy. Now I'm going to custom my policy and I'm going to choose EBS backed AMI policy, which will also take snapshot along with AMI. The next step is first one is target resource. So we need to choose the key first. Key is nothing but okay. When we when you open the instance, the EC2 instance page, we can see that under the name tag we have our instance. So the value will be Linux server. The name of our server is Linux web server. So that is key and value. Daily backup. This is just a description. Daily backup, default role. Next, we need to give Click next. We are going to enter a key, name, the value is Linux web server. Name Linux web server. I'm going to give a short description as daily backup. Next. Next here, I'm going to schedule the frequency as daily every 12 hours UTC time. I'm going to set the UTC time. The current UTC time is 4:59 p.m. So I will set a 5 minutes later. So 5 p.m. Can set it as 5 5. Count retention type. We are going to give in a count type. For example, if a snapshot reaches the 5th day, delete the snapshot. So then I'm going to review policy and I'm going to create the policy. We need to wait 30 minutes to create the snapshot or the AMIs. This will create automatically, but we need to wait 30 minutes the time we have given. For example, we have given 5. So it will automate all the process and it will give us AMIs and snapshot at 5:35. So let's wait for 30 seconds. So after 30 minutes, this is the policy that we have created. This one, this one is the policy. So after 30 minutes, this one is a policy that we have created at earlier. This is the snapshot that is created by this policy, and this is the AMI. This is also created by DLM policy. Yeah, so that's all.